Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change Calendly URL link. Calendly URL link is a unique URL that helps others connect you with your events. You can easily customize and share your URL. For this, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.calendly.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Calendly. Now to change your URL, you need to first get logged into your account. For this, click on login option on the top. Now, here you can see welcome back to Calendly option on the left. Here you need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your Calendly account. After this, click on login option. Now here you need to enter the correct password of your Calendly account. After this, click on continue option. With this, you'll be logged into your Calendly account, and now here you'll be directed to event type page. Here you can see my URL. Now you can easily change the URL. For this, click on your profile on the top right corner. Then here you can see my link option. Click on my link. Then here you'll be guided to my link page. Now to change the URL, you need to first remove the words that are present from the given box. Then enter any word that you want. Make sure that the word is available. If it is available, then you can see available option on the down. After this, click on save changes. With this, now your link will be changed. Changing your URL will mean that all of your copied URL links will no longer be used. Now your link will be changed and you can now copy your new link and then you can share it with anybody. Now here you can see my URL has been changed. It has been changed from Noah Hanot to Hello Noah Hanot on the last. This is how we can change Calendly URL link. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.